Sound overtakes me, floating above every noise in the street. Light on my heartbeat, moving so easy. The rhythm feels sweet. Right in the moment, nothing but city breeze pulling me through. Sound overtakes me, and I'm drifting close to you. Sidewalk going under feet, traffic hum becomes the beat. Wind is brushing through my hair, feels like something's changing there. I don't think I just let go, follow where the night will flow. Every step, every side blends into the city sky. Soft rhythm, drawing lines around my mind. Cool feeling, like the night is redesigning time. Sound overtakes me, floating above every noise in the street. Light on my heartbeat, moving so easy. The rhythm feels sweet. Right in the moment, nothing but city breeze pulling me through. Sound overtakes me, and I'm drifting close to you. Passing windows full of glow, reflections telling where to go. Your shadow walking next to mine, sinking with the skyline line. No rush, nothing pulling tight, just the colors of the night. If the city wants me near, I'm already staying here. Soft rhythm, drawing lines around my mind. Cool feeling, like the night is redesigning time. Let it wander, let the neon take us farther. If the world slows down tonight, let the city hold us right. Sound overtakes me, running gently through the midnight air. Light on my heartbeat, like the skyline's pulling me there. Right in the moment, nothing but easy motion and you.